natural recipe to burn body fat in 7 days, you will lose 7 kilos in 7 days. First, we will cut the pineapple in small pieces. Pineapple has anti-gastral properties and anti-inflammatory for the intestinal mucosa. It also contains an enzyme called bromelain that helps break down proteins and improve digestion. Add a stalk of celery. Celery is low in calories and rich in fiber, which makes it an effective food for those looking to lose weight. Get a cup of spinach. Its low-calorie content makes spinach an ideal ingredient for losing weight and reducing abdominal fat. It also has a high proportion of fiber. We will also need parsley. Parsley improves intestinal transit, favors the elimination of gases, and prevents abdominal bloating. In a blender process until these ingredients are crushed very well. I recommend this smoothie to replace your breakfast or your dinner for best results. If you like more weight loss recipes, comment, "Yes, I need more. Yes, I will try it." Thank you very much.